Cascade Rear J Lounge offers owners a combination of lounging and living. When combined with the removable padded footrest, the rear lounging area becomes an expansive platform for resting or sunning. When the footrest is removed, there's room for lots of people. Add one more once the captain turns to face the group. And there's plenty of room forward, with port and starboard benches for up to 6 people, depending on the size you choose. Our Ensign 2 fiberglass helm stand completes the package. With Cascade Rear J Lounge, you get it all: flexibility, comfort, and style. Cascade highlight features include a fiberglass Ensign 2 helm stand with gray wood dash, a gold stereo system featuring a high-power Fusion stereo with 4 speakers, a GPS speedometer, a premium interior with composite wall cladding, and 4000 series plush Matrix 50 furnishings.